Oliver Sloup joins us now. He's with Blue Line Futures. And let's take a look at our grain market here, Oliver, with the market happenings this morning. What do you read into that, where you have the wheat market running one direction, the soybeans going just that much in the other direction here today?
And corn sitting right at unchanged. There's a little something for everybody here. As you'd mentioned, we've got some big reports coming out later in the week. But this afternoon, starting with the crop conditions, and I think you're starting to see some jockeying back and forth ahead of that. Now, for this afternoon's crop conditions, I think most people are kind of expecting to see corn take a little bit of a dip back, maybe 1 to 2% lower on the good to excellent ratings. But as far as the technicals go on the corn, we're just kind of hovering right in the middle of no man's land. I hope we can get some friendly numbers out this week, whether it be today or Friday, to get this market going. I think if we can get out above 390, potentially we encourage some additional short covering. We've started to see the short covering over the past couple of weeks. We've seen funds last week in the Commitment to Traders report buy back about 63,000 contracts. They're still net short about 95,000. So if we can get a bullish report and a technical breakout, I wouldn't be surprised to see that kind of snowball into momentum to the upside. Maybe take a retest of that $4 handle for that new crop December contract.
Are producers here in the U.S. going to get any better chances to hedge their new crop soybeans, do you think?
I think that they'll still get some better opportunities. That's not to say that you should be paralyzed by the market and sit here and hope. There's multiple different strategies to try to do so, whether it be options or futures or a combination of both. Over the intermediate term, though, I do think we can kind of reclaim some solid ground above $9. I think we'll see demand come in a little closer towards fall, but it'll be nice to see if we can't get some bullish numbers as with corn later in the week. I know a lot of people aren't really expecting that. As you had mentioned, they're looking for some pretty big carry-out numbers, and I think you're seeing some of that kind of get priced into the market right now. So they're setting the bar pretty low. So hopefully it's just low enough where we can hurdle over that, use that as momentum, and get us some momentum back above $9.
A lot of stuff could happen on Friday, that's for sure. We'll